Hello friends, this is Shravan. This is my YouTube channel Civil Engineering by Shravan. To subscribe my channel, click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates. In this video lecture, I will explain you what is the length and width of the foundation we need to consider for designing of any kind of the building which is related to the ground story building or G+1 building, G+2 building, G+3 building, G+4 building till 10 story building. In this video, I will explain you what are the different types of the factors we need to consider before taking the length and width of the foundation. Okay. So basically length and width of the foundation will be depends upon the two factors. They are column size and second one is loading condition. So initially I will explain you the concepts which are related to the loading condition. So basically for designing of any kind of the structure as per the Indian standard system or any kind of the code, generally we will consider the load cases which are related to the dead loading condition, live loading condition, floor loading condition and seismic loading condition and wind loading condition. Seismic load we will consider as per the IS codal provisions or any other code provisions as per the considerations, and wind loading condition we will consider as per the codal provisions. Okay. So after that we have to consider the load combinations also. So depending upon the load combinations and depending upon the load cases, we have to design that respective structure. Okay. For example, let us consider G+2 building is there. We need to design that respected building. So before that we have to consider these load cases. So if the loading condition on that respected building of G+2 is more, we have to take the length and width of the foundation will be more. Okay. So if the loading condition on that respective structure is less, we will consider the normal condition dimensions. Okay. So this is the first one. So second one is column size. So basically we will consider column size is major factor for designing of any kind of the structure. Okay. So basically for designing of G+2 building, we will consider 12 inches cross 12 inches is the column size. So if the column size increases for that respective structure, we will consider the length and width of that respected foundation is also high. Okay. So we have to take the higher dimensions for that respected foundation in order to overcome that respected column size effect. Column size is also one of the most important factor we have to consider. So basically for designing of any kind of the length and width of the foundation, we will consider the dimensions as per the dimensions of the column. So for example, let us consider column is there which is having 12 inches cross 12 inches for construction of my respected G+2 building. In order to know the dimensions of length and width of the foundation, we have to consider the column size here. Okay. As per the considerations, as per the standards, it was suggested that the foundation length as well as width of that respected column is considered as 4 times of highest dimensions of the column. Okay. So for this respected 12 inches cross 12 inches, we are constructed a building which is related to the G+2 structure. So we have to consider the 4 times of your respected 1 feet dimensions. Okay. So 1 feet multiplied by 4, which will give the dimensions of 4 feet. So generally we will take the dimensions of the length and width of the footing as 4 feet for construction of this respected G+2 building. So these are the two factors which will affect on the foundation width as well as length. So now I will explain you what are the different types of sizes of the foundation we will consider for designing of any kind of the building which is related to the G+1 structure or G+2 structure, ground story structure and different types of the building. So these observations are basically depends upon the column sizes. So I was already explained what is the minimum size of the column we need to consider for different floors. I will provide you that video link in above card and below description of this respected video. Please follow that video. So depending upon those respected values of the column sizes, I will explain you the dimensions which are related to the foundation now. Okay. In that first one is ground story building. So if you want to construct any one of the building which is related to the ground story structure, generally we will consider the column size as 9 inches cross 9 inches. So we have to take the dimensions, we have to multiply the highest dimensions of your respected column with help of your 4 factor. So it will give the intensity of your respected 3 feet. So if you want to construct any one of the building which is related to the ground story structure, generally we will consider the footing dimensions as 3 feet cross 3 feet. And next one is G+1 building which is equals to 2 slabs building. So if you want to construct any one of the building which is related to the G+2 structure, generally we will consider the column size as 9 inches cross 12 inches, which is approximately equal to your respected dimensions of 2-story structure. So we have to take the 12 feet is the maximum value from that respected column dimensions. We have to multiply that respected value with 4, which is equals to your respected intensity of 4 feet. So if you want to construct any one of the building which is related to the G+1, we have to consider the foundation dimensions as 4 feet cross 4 feet. And next one is G+2 building. So if you want to construct any one of the building which is related to the G+2 structure, basically we will consider the dimensions of the column as 12 inches cross 12 inches, which is approximately equal to 1 feet cross 1 feet. So we have to multiply that respected value of 12 inches cross 12 inches with 4 factors. So it will give the intensity of your respected value as 4. So 4 feet cross 4 feet is the dimensions of the foundation we have to consider before construction of any kind of the building which is related to your respected G+2 structure. So next one is third one, which is related to your respected G+3 building. So which is equals to 4 slabs building. If you want to construct any one of the building which is related to the G+3 structure, generally we will consider the column sizes 12 inches cross 14 inches. The highest dimensions of this respected column size is 14 inches. 14 inches multiplied by 4 will give you the dimensions of the footing. So which is approximately equal to 4.666 feet. So if you want to construct any one of the building which is related to this 4 slabs building, we will consider the dimensions of the footing as 4.66 cross 4.66. Next one is G+4 building. If you want to construct any one of the building which is related to the G+4 structure, basically we will consider the column sizes 14 inches cross 18 inches. So 18 inches is the highest value. We have to multiply that respected 18 inches dimensions with 4. So it will give the intensity of 6 feet. So we have to take the dimensions of the footing as 6 feet cross 6 feet. And next one is G+5 building, which is equals to 6 slabs building. So if you want to construct any one of the building which is related to the 6 slab structure, G+5 structure, basically we will consider the column size as 14 inches cross 18 inches. The highest dimensions of this respected column size is 18 inches. 18 inches multiplied by 4 will give you the footing dimensions which is equals to 6 cross 6. Okay, next one is G+6 story building, which is equals to 7 slabs building. If you want to construct any one of the building which is related to the G+6 story structure, we have to consider the column size as 18 inches cross 18 inches. The highest dimensions of this column is 18 inches. 18 inches multiplied by 4 will give you the dimensions which is related to your respected value of 6 feet cross 6 feet. We have to take the foundation dimensions as 6 feet cross 6 feet. Next one is G+7 building. If you want to construct any one of the building which is related to the G+7 structure, we have to consider the column size as per the considerations as 21 inches cross 21 inches. So we have to multiply this 21 multiplied by 4. So it will give the intensity of your respected footing dimensions which is equals to 7 feet. 7 feet cross 7 feet is the dimensions of the footing we have to consider for designing of any kind of the structure which is related to your G+7 story building. Okay. Next one is G+8 building. If you want to construct any one of the building which is related to your G+8 structure, basically we will consider the column size is 24 inches cross 24 inches. We have to take that respected dimensions and we have to take it as 2 feet. 2 feet multiplied by 4 will give you the value of 8 feet. Okay, 8 feet is the values. We have to consider the dimensions which is related to the foundation pit. Okay, length and width of the foundation. Last one is G+9 story building. If you want to construct any one of the building which is related to the G+9 which is equals to 10 slabs building, basically we will consider the column dimensions as 28 inches cross 28 inches. So we have to multiply that respected 28 inches highest dimensions with 4 factor. So it will give the dimensions of 9.33 feet. So 9.33 feet is the length as well as width of the footing. Basically we will consider for designing of any kind of the structure which is related to the 10 floors building. So this is the conclusion of this respected video. If you have any queries about the length and width of the foundation, you can text me your question in the below comment box. I will give you the answer for that respected question. Thank you.